It's February 26, 2023, Sunday afternoon. Sophie is perched left of the nest. Her eye looks good. I have not seen Andy or the intruder as of yet. It's a nice sunny afternoon on Sunday, about 51 degrees. No one in the nest, and Sophie left of the nest. I'm going to take a walk upriver for about a mile or two and get back to you. Well, would you look who I found. Just look who I found. That little bugger. Get back to Sophie. She's looking and waiting for you. Would you look at this? Go home, Andy. Oh, what a stinker. Well, at least the intruder is not following him. Alright, I'm heading down to Harmar. Go, Andy. What, that little bugger. That little bugger. No stopping along the way. You go home. It's the 26th of February.